How to evaluate 5x to the power 1 by 2 times 3x to the power minus 1 by 3. So it's not a hard thing. Look, this is 5 and here is 3. 5 and 3, if we multiply, it will become 15. And here is x to the power 1 by 2 and here is x to the power minus 1 by 3. So x, same thing, if base is same, multiplication power will be add. So here is 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 3. So here is 15 x, LCM 6, so 3 minus 2, so here is 15 x, 3 minus 2, it means 1 divided 6. This is the answer. How to evaluate? Here is 8 to the power minus 4 by 3 into 32 to the power 1 by 2. Look, this 8 we can write 2 to the power 3 and here is minus, or we can write minus 4 by 3 into 32 we can write 2 to the power 5. 1 by 2 means into 6 by 5. How? Look, 12 divided 10, here is 6 and here is 5. Now this 3 and this 3 cross, so here is 2 to the power minus 4 into this 5 and this 5 cross, here is 2 to the power 6. Look, here is base 2 and 2, we can write 2 to the power minus 4 plus 6, so 2 to the power 2 equals to 4. This is the answer. Thank you. How to evaluate? Very interesting math. Here is 27a to the power 1 by 3 into 64a square to the power 1 by 3. So look, this is 27, we can write 3 cube, multiply 1 by 3, and here a 1 by 3. Again times 64, we can write 4 cube, and here is a square, 1 by 3 into 1 by 3, and a square means 1 by 3. So look, here is 3 cross, only 3 left. Here is a to the power 1 by 3 into, here is 3 cross, only 4 into a to the power 2 by 3. So look, 4 into 3, it means 12, and here is a and here is a, so a 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3, so 12 a to the power, LCM is 3, so 1 plus 2. Look, here is 12 a 1 2 3 divided 3 cross, answer will be 12